the 2018 Chevrolet Tahoe 4WD Premier RST. It's hard not to be a little taken with the Chevy Tahoe RST Performance Package, at first glance. It's a parts bin special done right, as only General Motors could do it, a Tahoe outfitted with the bigger 6.2-liter V8, GM strict magnetic ride control shocks, the sweet new 10-speed automatic transmission, and an aggressive body kit, among a few other lower-key goodies. Note, for the sake of brevity, the RST Performance Package will be referred to as just RST for the rest of this review, even though GM also offers a separate RST Edition that's basically just the cosmetic options on the SUV's Premier and LT variants. But that was until I saw the big, bold price in the last column of the window sticker, $78,450, as tested. That's enough to buy a brand new Chevy Camaro SS and a new Chevy Traverse, if you wanted to fill your garage with 6.2-liter V8 power and had an all-weather 7-passenger hauler. Or it's enough to take home a nearly loaded Cadillac CT6, one with the twin-turbo 400-horsepower engine and AWD, the bougie rear seat package, and the groundbreaking Super Cruise autonomous driving assist system. Or, for less than $2,000 more, just 2.5% more cash, you could drive off in a new Corvette Z06 capable of blasting from 0 to 60 in less than 3 seconds and topping out above 200 miles per hour. And that's all within the GM family. More pointedly, however, $78,450 is also enough to take home a nicely equipped 4-wheel drive GMC Yukon Denali, or even a new 4WD Cadillac Escalade. Granted, it'd be a stripper, but it's not hard to make the argument that stripper Cadillac loaded Chevy, both of those, incidentally, also come standard with the 6.2-liter V8, the 10-speed automatic, and magnetic ride control,